Good morning, children. Today we are going to start our block 5, something new, a silly poem. So, we'll get into the video without any delay. Get ready with your content book. Yes, open your content book and open block 5, something new, a silly poem. Now, I'm going to read this poem for you, and after I read, you please repeat it, okay? There is a fun to be had in doing a new thing. There is fun to be had in doing a new thing. Be a little silly. Give your day some zing. Give your day some zing. Ever smile with your eyes and laugh with your nose? Ever smile with your eyes and laugh with your nose? You could try it out and see how it goes. You could try it out and see how it goes. Okay, see children, the poem is about a child, maybe your age, who loves to do silly things. It is called something new because the child is asking you to do things you have never done before, right? We never laughed with our nose, we never smiled with our eyes, right? But they are asking to do this. It's a silly thing, right? It is something new which we never have done like this, right? Try walk on your hands. Try walk on your hands. So they are asking us to walk on our hands. How can we walk? We never did like that, right? Riding with your toes. Draw rhinos flying high over a giant blue rose. See children, we never tried all these things, right? We never walk on our hands. And we didn't try it with our toes, right? Even rhinos can't fly, right? So these are all something new which we have never done. So these are all silly things. Have your breakfast at night, eat dinner at noon. Have your breakfast at night, eat dinner at noon. Wear mismatched socks, comb your hair with spoon. Wear mismatched socks, comb your hair with a spoon. So we will not do all these things, right? We will not eat breakfast at night, dinner at noon. We will not comb your hair with spoon. All these are silly things. Doing new things can be so much fun. But you have to be safe. That's rule number 1. So children, in this poem they are saying you can do many other silly things like these given in the poem. But you should be very careful and you should be safe when you are doing all these kinds of things, right? So this poem is very nice because it is very silly and it is given many things which we don't do, which we have never done also in our life till now. So they are asking us to do all these silly things just for fun's sake. Now open your worksheet S1 and write your date there. It is must. Now see children, something new. First bit, underline the rhyming words in the poem. Children, I have already done for you all. See, mouse, house, blue, shoe. These are the rhyming words from this poem. So underline all these rhyming words, children. Now we will do our second bit. Write one rhyming word for each word. So I have given you all the rhyming words here. Bake, cake, dog, log, honey, money, toast, ghost, bread, head, right, bright, goat, boat, saw, wrong. All these are rhyming words for these words. Okay children, do it. Yes, coming to third bit. Make 2 sentences, each with a pair of rhyming words. For example is given here. I went to the lake and ate the cake. Lake, cake, both are in rhyming. Like this you need to do sentences. Any 2 sentences you need to do. One I have given you as example. See, the small dog sat on the log. Dog, log. Both are rhyming words. Like this you need to do one more sentence on your own. Okay children? It is very easy. You need to write one more sentence on your own. You can write with simple sentences starting with capital letter and full stop. But 2 rhyming words you need to do in this bit. Okay, children? It is very easy, children. I gave you all answers also. So do it yourself. Until then, take care. We'll meet you in the next class. Bye bye.